Let's pick a sweet girly author from the UK. Let's see what she picked. I was very excited and grateful to receive so many helpful advice. After I told a shocking story in a packing video 5 days ago, that someone on TikTok posted our videos and even claimed the videos are theirs. You guys are always the best. This sweetie picked 3 sets. The first set is Macaron Starry Sky, a very colorful, sweet, girly design that gives off many fairy tale vibes. You will love it, and it's one of our bestsellers. The second one is Sharks in Love, a very refreshing cartoon set. The last one is Fruit Yogurt, a fruit-themed pink girly design. How many fruits can you find from this set? Which one is your favorite among the 3? Please kindly leave a comment to vote for it. All nails are kept in boxes and well wrapped to prevent hurting during shipping. And each set comes with a complimentary nail application kit. Hope our good creation could bring everyone a smile.